Pagdaan sa step by step. Jab step, drive, attack, then spin move, pull up, strong. Yan. Well done. Kailangan yung vertical mo, vertical jump yan pag pull up. Galing sa spin. From spin move to vertical jump. Ha? Yes. Well done. Ha? Kailangan na pa yun. Kasi madulas lang yung court. Kailangan, you need stronger and faster. Makakakon kasi siya, madulas yung court eh. Basic. Intermediate. Spin. Nice one. Well done. Right side naman. Yan. Attack. Spin. Pull up. Yes. Well done. Okay. Hindi siya makapaglakas kasi madulas yung court. Come on. Fake shot. Yes. Jab. Well done. Spin. Pull up. Lovely. Very good. Come on. Jab. Yes. Attack. Spin. Pull up. Well done. Keep going. Receive the ball. Fake. Jab. Attack. Spin. Pull up. Well done. Keep going. Hard luck. Go. Jab, attack, spin. All right. Behind the back, layup. Jab. Behind the back, strong finish, layup. Yes. Receive the ball. Yes. Jab. Behind the back. Good. Finish. Strong. Good. Ball. Jab. Finish. Yes. Very good. Madulas ng court.